Hey fam, how's everybody doing? Good, because we're back with a quick little video. You guys, I want to make some Buttermilk Biscuits. You guys, I never made that before. So come on in the kitchen. So guys, first step is I'm going to put a cup of flour in here, right? Now I pretty much eyeball a lot of things. But we got a cup of self-rising flour. That's the first step, right? We're gonna put this flour away. Now, we're gonna use a cup of buttermilk, right? Well, actually, hold on. Okay, so I forgot about my butter that I have shredded. And we're going to put us some butter in here that I shredded. And I'm just going to go here and make this crumbly, right? As best as I can. So we're just going to make sure we crumb that on up in here. Because I want some biscuits. And I want to, you know, see, can I create some buttermilk biscuits? I'm just in that mood on this Sunday morning, you guys. I like easy recipes, simple recipes. Yeah, I just like enjoying cooking and putting my recipes to good use. Never know. You know, I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays. As you guys can tell, I fell back a little bit because, you know, I wasn't cooking. But I'm glad I have people joining the family. Welcome to the family, you guys. So if you're a first-time viewer, thank you. If you're a long-time rider, I appreciate you just as well. So if you're not part of the family, what you waiting on? Okay, so we got it to where I got it crumbled enough. Okay, and we got us some buttermilk, right? We're going to go ahead and open up this buttermilk. Now we're going to pour us a cup of buttermilk in here as well. And we're going to stir that on in here. Because we want it to come together and come together, come off the walls of it, you know, so we can have a as you call it, I guess moist. I don't know. Y'all follow me on this. But okay, we got our buttermilk biscuit dough ready. So we only need a few. Okay, so we got our dough, right? We're gonna take our dough out of here. Just like that. Well, wait. I want to get all my residue. Okay. Okay. We're going to get it all off the fork. Okay. That's cool. So, we're going to knead it a couple of times, right? Make sure you get the flour in there. Now, I know this is not enough workspace, and it's okay. But we're going to knead it a couple of times and give it a fold. Give it a fold. Just like that. Because we build in layers, right? We build in layers on our biscuits. Because we want some nice fluffy biscuits. Now this is an easy recipe. Now I must admit that I had forgot about biscuits. But I used to love them when my mother-in-law used to come over and make us some biscuits. So, well, she didn't come over. She came from out of town, right? And I used to love it. And we just going to build us some layers, right? Now, do I think we got enough layers? Yes, okay. So, we're going to make another layer just like that. I just love nailing, or whatever you call it, right? So, let's put this right here so y'all can see. Now, I don't have a rolling pin because I just don't, okay? So, don't. Now, when you cut them, do not twist. Do not twist. Yeah, y'all see that? Your girl got her biscuit cutter. Don't. Look at there. Right. Now, you want to put it in your pan as close as possible. But anywho, we're going to put that in there, and I'll show you guys as I build my biscuits, right? Because I only need a couple of, it's only so many of us here. We only need a couple of. Let's go ahead and finish building many layers. Okay. No, let's not try to make that one. Every little bit count. Every little bit count. Let's see, can we put that in there? And make the perfect circle. Okay. Let me clean this up. So guys, here go our biscuits we have ready to go in the oven. Make sure your oven is at 425. We're going to cook these at least 15 minutes or no more than 20 minutes. It all depends on your oven. So you guys, so let's go ahead and slide this in the oven. And let me get that little piece out. Okay, so let's go ahead and slide this in the oven, and we'll be back because we're going to have us some delicious buttermilk biscuits. So guys, there go my homemade delicious buttermilk biscuits. Guys, I think this is the best batch I done had. Okay, well, this is my first time making buttermilk biscuits. Now, it was an easy recipe, and your girl just want to try it. Now, definitely, oh my goodness, look at the layers. Okay, look at the layers. Oh, it's hot. Look at the layers. Oh, yeah. Now, that's a perfect biscuit, you guys. Now, I know my Carter's going to love these. So, yeah, I made these for breakfast. And you cannot go wrong with this recipe, you guys. This recipe is nice and fluffy. Flaky biscuits. Oh my goodness, they melt in your mouth. You guys, give this recipe a try. Oh yeah. I gotta finish this one. Y'all call me greedy. I can taste this with some fried chicken right there. Now, you know you always have to have that one out the bunch. Now, y'all saw me stuff this one. Plenty flakiness. Look at that flakiness. But anyhow, y'all, I gotta get ready to go. Serve breakfast. Y'all, never mind that egg, okay? Because I cooked that in the sausage grease. Because I'm a southern girl, okay? So, on this channel, you will find easy recipes, cooking, soul food dinners, dinner in general. Yes, you will find just about any recipe that you want that's from the old school. Because that's what I do over here. So until then, you guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.